Okay, now we are taking a look at what do we check on the engine before we start the motor. There's 4 things that we're looking at. The first thing that we're gonna check is the oil, okay? Oil is checked right here. Here's the dipstick. We're gonna pull it out, we're gonna wipe it, we're gonna put it back in, okay? We're gonna pull it out, and that's gonna give us the level, okay? So you can see it right there. Here is the high circle, here's the low circle. We want it closer to the high. This would be bad if it was below here. This would be worse if it was way up here. So we want it right around there. So don't add oil if you think it's low. Call sale time and we will add oil if needed. Second thing you're checking is coolant. You can see here is the coolant reservoir. It's an overflow for the heat exchanger. So here's the low line, here's the high line. Should be just somewhere in between these 2 lines. Where it is fine. So don't worry if it's a little on the low side because it's just an overflow. The other thing that we want to check is easier to check from the other side. Let's back up, go down here, and bring the phone over here so you can see down underneath the engine there's a diaper that we put down there, and we want to look at the diaper and see if there's any oil or coolant or fuel or water. If there is, that would be caused, maybe there's a hose clamp that's loose or we need to check something. The next thing we want to see is down here on the sides where it says danger, we want to see if we see lots and lots of belt dust, which would indicate the belt behind this housing is going and we need to replace it. So those are the 4 things to look at. That's it.